Hey everyone, so I've recently been looking through my origami, and believe me, there's a ton of them. But what I found in the rubble was I found this gem. I found a design that I hadn't taught in a while, as you can see, because it's pretty wrinkly. Anyways, what it is it could be a bowl or it could be a crown. I'm not going to wear it because it kind of looks stupid. But anyways, that's not the point. Basically, it's a bowl that you can put stuff in, and it's really cool. So, here's how to hold it. Alright, so for this model, I'll use a 6" by 6" square of paper, and I'll use yellow this time because I feel like using yellow. And anyway, right now, you want to take this point and hold it to this point. Alright, now unfold and do the same thing here, this point to this point. Now we're going to make a blend space, so let's basically just fold all the corners to the center. Like that, and repeat that 3 more times. Alright, so now we have our blend space. So now let's turn over and take this point and fold it to this point. Unfold and take this point and fold it to this point. It's like what we did in the beginning, but it's the paper's blends now. Alright, now what we do, this is a little tricky, but after you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. So take this edge and fold it to this crease, but let this flap swing out. Alright. And make a fold right here, but only do it up to this point. Alright, now unfold. So that's what we made. And now we want to take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let the flap swing out. And fold it to this point. Alright, now we see in this isosceles triangle, no wait, it's not isosceles, but anyways, we see that we have these 2 creases right here, and we're going to do these on the remaining 3. Alright, now we have this. And we can kind of see what it's going to look like because we see sort of an octagonal shape in the middle. You can see that's the same octagonal shape that's in the finished product. Okay, so now what we have to do is we turn over and we have to see, you see this intersection right here? We have to pinch this crease until the intersection, like that. And then we'll flatten it by letting this edge line up with this crease. So it should look like that. And the model will not lay flat from now on. So do the same around here. Alright, now we have this, and oh yeah, let's fold them both ways, because we're going to need to use both of those folds later on. Now, we should have that. Okay, so now comes the trickiest part of the model, where we have to take these corners and lock them inside the paper. So, what we do is we open this up, and we mount and fold on the 2 creases that we just made. Okay, it's easy at the start, but it gets harder as we go along. So, now if we go in there, we can see this point and this point. You want to take this point and fold it to that point in there. Sorry, I'll try to keep it in camera. So this is what we did, yeah. So we just took this and folded it to the back. Now you can just keep it like this, but it's not very strong. I mean, it comes apart really easily. So what we can do is take this point, fold it to this edge. We don't need to bother making creases for it. Just let it be easier on ourselves. Okay, so we've got that. Now we have to take this very back flap and fold it over the crease. So we just make just like that. And then take this point and hold it to this point. This is just a water bomb inside. So now open this flap. And now you want to open this pocket like that, and then just stick this flap in the pocket. There. Now you see we have a much stronger lock. And repeat this with the other 4 sides. I'm not going to fast forward all of it. I'll show you this one. So now I can fold both of them in. Okay. Take this point and fold to this point. Oh yeah, sorry, again, I'll zoom in. Take this point and fold it to the edge. Now take this flap and fold it over. This one's kind of messy. And then take this point and fold it to this point. And then open the pocket. Come on, focus. There we go. And just squeeze it in the pocket. Like that. Okay. Now I'll repeat on these sides. Alright, now finally the last step is to push this point in. Okay, and let's just make it all nice. My neighbors are being loud again. But anyways, yeah, there you go. There is your cool bowl, or it could be a crown if you want it to be. But so I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed and have fun folding. Bye.